Alright, we're back with Lena and Joseph, and we have the Elmers Color Slime Kit. Everything you need to make cool, vibrant slime.
It's brand new.
Go ahead, bud.
It's brand new, and we made it on Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
So I already made one. Here's a sample of it. It's not all of it, just a sample. And it's actually really good slime. This is a green one, and I'm gonna make a blue one actually now. So this one is gonna be blue glue with magical liquid, and the glue's a little bit clear. Even on the back it says gem like blue slime recipe. So it's kind of gonna be like if you stretch it out a little bit clear when you see through it. So yeah, and what you're gonna need is of course these, and then just a container and spoon. So I'm gonna see how good this kit is, and it because I already made one, so I'm gonna see if the second one is the same. I mean, it's probably gonna be the same. It's the same stuff.
Oh, yeah, cheated. And she would have blown it.
Yeah.
And then I handed a little bag.
Yeah, because it has a black.
Lucky,
floor.
when it come out.
You gotta get most of it out, from.
Lucky, when it come out, it will.
Just as much as you can. Just get it out as much as you can.
My bunny bill too. And your phone bill. Everything
His phone
bill.
case. That's his case.
Everything bill.
Not everything. You're not blue. You're not some kind of alien who's blue. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I think that's about enough. And now I'm just gonna put half of this in. But make sure you only put half, and then you can put the rest. But don't put all of it in at once, because I don't know why, but I feel like that might mess it up. Okay, that's about good. And then get a spoon, and then just start mixing it up. Oh, maybe that's not about good. I don't know.
Wait, Abby.
Okay, no, look. See, it's turning blue a little bit.
How to make time.
And it's kind of clumping up. And so basically, it's just gonna turn to slime after so first I gotta mix this a lot until it gets better, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the bottle. But like I said, just don't add all of it at once. That might ruin the slime.
Yeah. Right.
It depends on what kind you have though. Maybe the directions will make you put it all on at once if you have a different kind. Not this kind though. Because this kind tells you not to do that. So.
Wait, tell everyone how to do when not really bad.
So it's turning out pretty good so far. I'm just going to mix this a little bit more to make sure it turns a little bit more slimy. It's kind of like in my last slime video when it was a little bit sticky at first, like how it is now, and then it got better. So it's going to get better like that. And also, when you make that slime, just do all the thing I did because when the camera was off, I put more water because I thought it was too cold and it got ruined. So don't do that.
Daddy,
what animal is that, bud? That's a bull, I think.
Yeah. Bull.
They're bull on everything.
Do you think this is good? I think that's good enough to add the rest.
Bull everywhere.
I don't know. I'm just gonna add the rest.
Because
last time I did it, that was how it was. Okay. I know this seems like a lot, but trust me, it will work. It tells you to do this. And I done this, like I said, I done this earlier, so I know.
Alright, but we've seen all the Elmer stuff. There it is again, the Elmer slime kit with all the stuff it comes with.
And
color slime kit.
So we're gonna on the back.
And the bull is everywhere. I think he's a bull.
So right now it's watery from the activator, but it's gonna get better. Trust me.
Yeah, trust me too.
So
did you guys have a good Easter?
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, happy Easter, because I don't know. Don't copy me. Anyway.
Well, happy Easter, everyone.
Yeah. I mean, there might be a lot of videos today where people are doing Easter videos and they're saying happy Easter, so. But we're saying it too, even if other people are.
Yeah, so you better get ready for it. So you can buy next year.
Yeah, okay, I think I'm still gonna just a little bit more.
I
gotta get, so at first, when I made my other one, it was sticking everywhere and you couldn't get anything off. But then once you just let it I don't know how to explain it, but then it just sticks all together. Like there's still a lot, but I'm just not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna keep mixing it. So far it looks like this. It's blue and it's pretty watery right now. Actually, you're supposed to knead when it gets like this. I think it said that. Yeah. So I kneaded it last time when it got like this. You're supposed to knead a little bit. And there's a little bit of like slime right here. I'll stick that at the end. So right now it's like this, and I'm trying to get it into slime. So far it's actually pretty good. I'm hoping it's gonna activate soon because see how it's actually big and it was only like one bottle? Well, actually kind of big. Not too big, but not too small. Like it's the right amount I want.
Now.
What are you saying over there?
Everyone under a puddle now. Everyone dance now.
Oh, a little singer, huh? You got a song stuck in your head?
Yeah, he has a lot of songs stuck in his head a lot. One time I had a song stuck in my head all day at school.
Yeah, it happened.
Everyone dance now.
And I just couldn't stop thinking of it. Like every time, like when we were at lunch and stuff, I was eating and it was replaying in my head over and over. It was like it was just like. Here, hold on. I'm gonna put this on a plate real quick. So it looks about ready, and this is how it turned out. So I'm actually like this slime kit. So I recommend you get this kind if you really want a good slime kit, or you want good slime, or like when you make slime, it doesn't work or it gets old or something like that. I recommend you get this one if you really want a good one. And now there's still a little bit of glue slime stuff, so I'm gonna try to scrape that off the edges and get it off. So like it's coming off a little bit. So I need every last piece into it. This one's still like watery a little bit. This one looks kind of like a crystal or something. I don't know. It reminds me of that. And it just, I don't know.
And there's the one from earlier in there, right?
Yep. That one's
It's
just a sample, yeah. So this is how big it's going to be. Like, I'm still getting some things off, so it might be like a tiny bit bigger. You know, it's like this much bigger.
Okay, and once again, that is the Elmers Color Slime Kit.
Mm-hmm. And I'm just going to keep getting this off. So,
We didn't believe the below two bags. You better one attack.
okay.
Jackson.
And put it in. And if you want, you can do this because I actually have this in my house. Like I saved some. If you want to make this crunchy slime, you could just put foam beads in it. Like if you're trying to make crunchy slime and you don't like, just get a slime kit and then just put foam beads in it. Or whatever kind of beads you're gonna put in that you put in your slime for you. So.
Come over me.
I actually don't know what they use for the magical liquid. Well, they use baking soda, I know that, but I don't know what kind of activator they use. Because there's a bunch of different activators to use with slime. Here, I'm not going to do this with spoon, actually. I'm just going to do it with my hands. Because it's easier to get it all off. Like, see, now it's coming off.
How about if you roll the slime around in there? Want to pick it up?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Hold on.
it's for everyone.
Okay.
Oh my god! How good! I'm gonna put that.
This blue. Ah, you can have this spoon.
Me.
I'm done with it.
You touching me! Put that time back in. Put that time back in.
What slime? I don't have any slime except this, and I can't put it back in right now. I'm just gonna try to put it up with this. It's getting in the activator, not the slime. Why?
But put it down for a second.
Okay.
Need a little peek, I think.
No.
Need a little.
Here, let me just do this real quick. Here, I'll give
Give me
it.
a hat.
Not right now. Here, play with this.
No.
There you go, Bo. Play with the sample.
The sample. The sample's good though. It's really soft, and I don't know how to explain it.
They came out good, huh? Let me see that one.
It's
Oh,
like
yeah.
this one. That one
That one's
is
done.
his. I gave some to him. But this one is mine.
Well, do know mine. Don't know mine.
He gets his own.
So don't know mine.
Yeah.
Well, I can make carrots.
So, I actually didn't know. Like, so when I woke up and I got this, it was just in my basket, and it was actually really big. And I just saw it, I'm like, okay. And then it was only like 7:50 something in the morning, and I just started making slime in a bowl. And then I'm like, we should do a video on this later. And I just saved some of this, so we did a video.
Yeah, we can.
Because we usually do videos with things we get for something like Christmas or something like that. But
You do?
usually for Easter, it's more candy than toys like this.
Did you say do videos?
No. I said we do it for videos.
Ah, I thought I heard a do video.
And we're bang.
Oh, I said we do a video.
You do.
No.
Oh, okay.
But Joseph was saying that.
Oh, I didn't.
He didn't say that. He's playing with a snot green slime.
Yeah.
It actually looks gross.
But everyone show up
Ew.
and the birds and
Ew.
watch.
Ew.
All right.
Okay,
That's
okay,
right.
that's gross. That's
And
gross.
all those bought at some time.
Okay,
This is my new approved
Okay,
spot.
he actually put, he doesn't like it, so he doesn't like to eat it, so he got sweet tarts earlier, and he put it in that.
You put sweet tarts in there?
Yeah.
Huh.
Easter sweet tarts, though. And he started just putting it in.
But
Okay, so
this
this is actually really
That's
good
crunchy
slime.
slime.
So,
that time. That time of year.
Yeah, I was like, okay, you're making sweet tarts crunchy slime, but it was all gross.
Bro, don't do that because the sugar will melt. Don't do that.
Okay, right
That's a
now
bad
inside,
idea.
I can still feel
People at
like,
home, don't put sweet tarts in your slime. They'll melt.
Yeah, it's weird.
Oh,
It was
where-
all gross. I'm like, okay.
What
It
are
got
the
smaller because it was melting, and Joseph
But
was
where
like,
are they?
ew. I said, he put it in and then it got smaller, and he's like, ew, wow, we shrunk them, and it was melting. I'm like, okay, that's not a good idea to put sweet tarts on. And then I got the foam beads and put them in. But then I
That
took
slime's
them
coming out good, right?
out. Uh-huh. So far, it's not stiff. It's actually really good. It's stretchy, and it's just like when you do this, it gets a little bit clear so you can see through it.
All right, cool. So that came out pretty good. So for this video,
Yeah.
we used Elmer's Color Slime Kit. We got Joseph over here with the sample we made earlier.
The two
He has his
builds,
green slime.
two touchies, builds.
And he's got
And
his
one
little
nail
Easter
and
toys
one
that he got in his
green.
Easter basket. And Lena has her blue slime. Can we say it again?
Yeah.
Stretch it and show us,
Okay.
See how it worked out.
Wait, what
really
kind
good.
of? Okay, let me see. Okay, I can do this.
So that was a success then, right?
Yeah. So some slime kits are fails when people do videos on that. This is not a fail. So buy this if you want good slime, but you just got to do it right how I showed you.
All right, and that's Elmer's Color Slime Kit. Everything you need comes right in that box. The magical liquid, the glue.
I became.
All right, awesome, guys. So tell everyone Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Make sure you tell everyone
Happy Easter, everyone.
to subscribe,
Yeah.
right?
Hun,
Hit the like button.
Hun, did I not then be mine anymore?
And ring the notification bell.
Yeah, hit that bell for more videos because we're going to start making more videos
Yeah.
and more videos and more
Smash
videos
the
and
like
more.
button.
What do you always say, bud? And on and on and on.
Yeah, and on
And on and on and on and on and on and on. All right.
Wait.
Say bye to everyone.
Match your computer, you have to. But don't actually.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Oh,
Don't actually match your computer.
Subscribe and you know all the other things.
Don't really
please do
smash
it.
your computer.
Don't.
All right.
Subscribe and like and all that, but without smashing your computer.
Okay, ready?
But match your computer, but don't actually match your computer.
All right,
You
ready?
know what he
1,
means.
2, 3. Happy Easter. Okay.
Bye.
Whoa, one more thing.
What?
Subscribe or else.
All right.
We'll put you on fire.
Don't threaten the
No,
viewers.
don't. No.
He's lying.
No,
No,
no, no.
not.
He's only 5. All right, say bye on 3.
April
1, 2,
Fool's.
3. April Fools. Okay, say bye.
But wait, don't let that. We made it on Easter.
We made it on Easter.
They
Don't
can
forget
see
that.
the date.
All right, bye guys. See you next time.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.